cry havoc, and let slip the dogs of war.
They probably think that's a Bon Jovi lyric here.
Okay, here we go. Come on now, baby. This is your territory. This is what you do. Just a little bit more.
Oh, that was a bad start. Bit of snaking, bit of wobble. Come on, car.
One more. There we go.
Horse is clear.
All of us were too slow.
166.
157.
142. That's not...
No, I know.
To reach our targets, we'd have to get the wheel spin off the line exactly right. Every gear change exactly right. We'd have to get our line in the salt exactly right. Every bit of the run would have to be perfect. And that's a tall order for us lot.
I hit the limiter.
No, this is hopeless.
144. 166.
153, ignoring that one.
Come on, come on.
Oh no! I missed third!
It's going to be worse. No!
This is so irritating.
Oh,
144. 157.
Missing the gear cost me 3 miles an hour. Just doesn't work with the traction control off.
That's a complete cock-up.
No, that was hopeless. I'm going backwards.